Hi guys, in today's video we're going to have access to Bart AI and we're going to ask Bart AI how to make money in 2024 online, judging by simply him having the best Google search results, best content put it out there, generated from Google search and all the social medias combined. This is the series number 4, guys. And in series number 1, we went to personal finance. Series number 2, we went to how you could save money. In series number 3, we went through how you can get out of debt. And this is series number 4, in which we're going to focus on how to make money online in 2024. So far, we've been getting a lot of amazing strategies throughout the whole financial journey. Let's see what is based on Google Trends over here, guys. How and where you should approach this year. Okay, according to Bart AI, 2024 has a lot of opportunities for online money making skills. Let's focus on details. Number 1 is freelancing. Essentially, over here, they try to send you to create your side hustle gigs on Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. This include writing, editing, graphic design, web development, programming, marketing. Okay, but I want something more specific. Let's ask, what about using AI to make money online in 2024? Let's see something more upgraded, guys. Let's use the vast capacity of Bart AI. Okay. The idea number 1 is AI powered content creation. Generate blog posts, articles, and even scripts with AI writing tools like Jasper or Shortly AI. Essentially, over here, guys, they are suggesting you that you should start your own blog and you should start posting blogs. The second suggestion is to create engaging social media content with AI powered tools like Canva or Lumen 5. Essentially, they will offer you or they will create you templates, images, or music suggestions where you can actually sell to your audience or simply use to generate followers. The third one will be to develop personalized learning materials as ebooks using the AI. Tools like Shortly AI can help you tailor content for a specific audience and learning styles. This is very good. Guys, you should definitely check out this. I personally going to check out this after I finish this video. Second suggestion in chapter 2 will be AI driven product development, design and sell unique products using AI tools such as Midjourney. I'm using this. These platforms allows you to generate custom artwork, clothing patterns. A very important note over here, guys, you want to make sure you have the rights to use the designs on materials. Some of these platforms still keep the rights or you have to pay for a special additional license. Okay, personalized products on demand with AI, use AI generated custom images, engraving. Okay, this is a good idea. Or messages or physical products like mug scans, print on demand, so on and so forth. The suggestion number 3, AI powered marketing and sales. Target your ideal customers with laser precision using tools like Google Ads. You can run ad campaigns, you can run Facebook ad campaigns, Google ad campaigns. You can start a marketing agency over here. This is what comes to my mind over here, guys. And you can simply create and schedule marketing campaigns and posts for other people. And they can simply opt in for like a weekly or monthly packages. You can run the whole marketing for like 100 companies a month. Chapter number 4, AI assistant, investing and trading. I tried this one. We built a AI bot trading, didn't perform so well. According to them, gain valuable insights in financial markets with AI powered investment platforms. Automate your trading decisions with AI powered trading bots. I think the opportunity over here, guys, will be if you can use AI to provide like a real-time data and analysis, like a big data using AI. And last chapter over here is to offer AI powered services. Become AI consultant to help businesses to integrate into AI. Yeah, this is again like a corporate software, like I would say Salesforce replaced by AI type of stuff. So guys, as we saw, we extract so much important information and save you a tons of time. Here for 5 minutes you saw what is currently trending and where people are actually focusing and starting business on. This is why the power of AI, BART AI, it's very important. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.